Seasonally, things are slower. Big picture, they're about the same. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. The number of homes for sale dropped during November compared with the last few months. However, buyers had a lot more choices compared to November 2024 and 2023. More supply helped bring prices down compared with last November. Home sales were about the same as this time last year. Let's look at local markets starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, mixed. Big increases in Alameda, Fremont, Newark, and Union City. Prices, mostly down. Castro Valley at 1.11, down more than 10%. Alameda, 1.53, up 7%. Sales, mixed. Fremont, 73, down almost 20%. Next door in Newark, 23 sold, up more than 75%. West Contra Costa County is up next. More choices for buyers almost everywhere. San Pablo up more than 40%. Prices down or mostly flat. El Cerrito, $1 million, down 25%. Sales mixed. Richmond down more than 10%. Hercules and San Pablo both up. Let's look at central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale mixed. Clayton and Pleasant Hill both down. Concord up, 85 for sale, along with Walnut Creek with 40 on the market. Prices mixed. Clayton, Concord, Walnut Creek all down slightly. Martinez up to 972. Sales mixed. Concord, Walnut Creek up, Pleasant Hill 14 sold, down more than 50%. Next up is La Miranda. Homes for sale mostly down. Lafayette 23 for sale. Prices mostly up. Orinda 2.23 up more than 20%. Sales mixed. Lafayette up, Moraga down. Let's look at the Tri-Valley. Inventory was mixed. Alamo down more than 30%. Big increase in Dublin with 37 for sale. Santa Rosa up almost 40%. Prices mostly down. Dublin 1.55 down more than 15%. Sales mixed. Alamo and Livermore both up. Pleasanton 28 sold, down almost 25%. Let's wrap it up in the Delta. More homes for sale almost everywhere. Discovery Bay and Oakley both up more than 20%. Pittsburgh is the exception. 57 for sale, down 25%. Prices mostly down. Discovery Bay at 750 dropped more than 10%. Brentwood stands out at 820, up 10%. Sales were also mostly down. Antioch and Discovery Bay both down more than 20%. Last thought. A home was on the market an average of 32 days during November, which is the slowest November since 2019. At the same time, there are about 200 more pending sales compared with last November. Buyers are out there and they're taking their time. We'll see you next month.